Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Breakdown Bill. What I'm doing today is I have a Honda XR650L 2021 model. What I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to put a 12 volt stereo system on it. What I have is a Alpine 7-inch double din radio. I'm building a stereo box, the Apache 3800. I got this. It should be about the perfect size to build my stereo. I want to put my double din radio in it, along with a 12 volt battery. I have it on order. And looking at the inside of the Apache box. It has little squares for the pads you can pull out to make your design to put your units and whatever you want inside of here. I'm thinking it should work out great. If anyone knows how to install one of these, put them together with a 12 volt battery, feel free to share in the comments below. I need all the help I can get, as you can see. My Alpine radio. Had it for a couple years, but never used it yet. There, and the battery should be about the same size. It'll go on the other side. Build a platform around this foam pad so it'll fit in. Then I got to figure out how to wire it and bring it up to the battery and make it all look good. Anybody wants to share any information to help me out, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.